we will see that one null we have done in the morning practical. Okay, so that how the null value and what is actually the null value is says. Okay, that is the thing. So now let us see that what is actually the null value. Fine. So the null is a kind of value that actually is nothing, okay, but okay, it's a special type of value, okay, which does not mean anything, okay, that is the thing, okay. So it's a special, some attribute can accept the null value, some cannot, okay, that is the thing. So it depends upon the constraint, actually not null constraints and all what we all define at the time of the table, whenever we are whenever we are creating the table and all, okay, at that point of time, okay. So now listen carefully. So this one, let me open the MySQL command line prompt, okay. So MySQL, then we will see it, command line client, okay. So accordingly, because here you see, whenever we will discuss some notes over here, okay, whether it is theoretical, whether it is practical, okay, doesn't matter, sir, but each and every part has this practical execution, okay. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the see you here handling non values, this is the today's content, and another thing is also there, we will come to that one by one. So not that you have done it in the morning, okay. So SQL supports a special value called null to represent say missing or unknown value. Fine, missing or unknown value, remember, okay, it is a value, but okay. For example, the village column, suppose in a village column in a table called address, okay, will have no value for their cities, okay, that is the thing. So hence null is used to represent such unknown values, okay. So null is only acceptable when not null constraint has not been given, okay, has not been used, okay. So by default the null can be acceptable, fine, by the attribute concerned, okay, that is the thing. So it is important to note that null is different from zero. Zero and null is not the same. Zero is something defined, but the null is undefined entirely, okay. So any arithmetic operation performed with null value gives null only, okay. For example, if you are adding any value or multiplying anything with null, so it will return null only, okay. So null is unknown, hence the result is also unknown, means in one word it is undefined, we can say. So in order to check for null value in a column, we use the what we use is null, okay. Yes, that we can do, okay. So what has been done in this particular query, okay, select star from employees where bonus is null, okay. So if the bonus is null, bonus column is null, then all those records will be displayed, or all those relationship will be displayed, and the opposite just to negate it, okay, which are who all are getting the bonus. Suppose the question has been given, display those names who all have got the bonus, means that is not null, where the bonus column is not null, for those the name column will be displayed, okay. So this thing had been happened out here. So these names are not there for whom the bonus is null, okay, but these things are there, these names they have got the bonus, and for them the bonus will not be null, okay, that is the thing. So now you see out here, in the SQL part I am coming, okay. So 1 2 3 4 is the password. I'm just going inside the SQL, and we will select a database out here, select emp, okay, emp, okay. So is there emp, sorry, use emp we will use, okay. So in order to select the database, and we will select, okay, so select star from emp1, okay, that is the name of the relation, okay, that is the thing. Now you see here are records are there, so but no null value has been inserted as such. But if we want to get the null value, we have to enter something, insert a tuple or a record, okay, or a relation, okay, which is containing the null value, okay. So let us use the insert command once, just to insert a null record, okay. Insert into table name emp1, okay. So first you give which are the fields you want to keep, you want to enter the value, okay. So emp id is a primary key field, we cannot keep it null, okay. So name I am keeping, and then I am keeping here the doj, okay, and I am keeping out here salary, okay. This four field, sal salary, okay, this four field I will have the values, okay. Other values will be null, okay. Null values, once again I am saying you, if the constraint is not null, okay, then you cannot enter the null value, okay, that is the thing, okay. So now 345 is the name, is the id, okay. Acha, name is say Satish, okay, Satish, okay. And then say you are having the, he is having the date of birth, date of joining 2004 hyphen, okay, 09 hyphen 16. Okay, 16 September he has joined. Okay, and the salary will be, okay, say 35,000. Okay, 35,000. Fine. So now you see out here semicolon. Okay, so it has been done. Okay, so now insert it. Okay, so 345 is primary key, 345 already been given. Okay, so that is duplicate, that's why it has not been taken, so you have to change it. Okay, what I have to do, I have to change it and make it 348. Okay, so then it is fine, it has been inserted. Now the thing is that select, okay, star from, select star from what, emp1. Fine, emp1. All right, so what is happening out here, emp1, you can see out here these places it has become null. Okay, now if I want to display the null records, if you want to enter one more, you can see also. Okay, you can enter also the null records. Okay, so you have to change it over here. Say suppose you are making 349. Okay, suppose you are making out here Ruma, and his Ruma's date of birth is 2005. So date of joining, so let me say, okay, say 19, and then say Ruma is getting, say, delete this one, Ruma is getting, say, 14,000. Okay, 14,000. Fine. So now press enter. So it has also been inserted. Now altogether 2 null records we do have. Okay, now you can see the null records we have inserted by using the second syntax of the insert command. Okay, so normally we use insert into table name values directly. Okay, so in that case we don't have the scope of entering the null value, and this will help you out in order to customize the values. Okay, that is the thing. So wherever possible, okay, you can have the value, other places it will be null. So here 2 null are there. Okay, so here is null, here is null, zone is null. So either of the field you can use, either address or zone. Okay, so now you see out here select, okay, star from emp1, sorry, emp1. Okay, where, okay, suppose zone I am taking, zone is null. Okay, zone is null. Fine. So what will happen, so these 2 records are showing, these are null, but okay, so that's why these 2 records are showing. Okay, so now say if you want to do with respect to address, that is also possible. Okay, ddress, address is null, same records are being shown. Now if you want to display other than null, those which records are not null, means where the employees addresses are available or the zone is available. First I'm doing with not. Okay, not, sorry, not the thing, not will come over here just before null, not null, is not null. Okay, so then wherever the address is not null, those places will be displayed. Fine. Okay, now the thing is that if you do with the zone, you can give your zone out here also. So wherever the zone is null, okay, not null, that one will be displayed. Understood? Okay, so those things will also be displaying. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way you can use the is null and is not null in order to display the null records. Okay, records that having the null values and without null also, just to using this particular logical operator. Now you see the null records multiple display modification to be done, because there are 2 null records are available with Satish, address and zone is empty, null. Okay, so you have to update it. So how we will do that? Update the null records. So update emp1, update emp1. Okay, set what address. Okay, address equals to, say I'm giving here Chennai, CHENNAI, Chennai. Okay, comma, and then zone I am giving out here, say south zone. Okay, zone equals to south. Okay, and then what I have to give, I have to give the criteria where emp id, where emp id. Okay, emp id equals to what, 348. All right, so that is the thing. So now semicolon and press enter. Okay, so it will be updated. Okay, and the second record also, just press the up arrow, it will be appearing. So I am keeping the address Chennai only, and then zone is also the south. Okay, and here I need to change the emp id. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? Otherwise again the same thing, it will be have no values, nothing to do with that. Okay, so 349 also will be having the same value. Now see, I have updated. Okay, so that is the thing. So if you are doing so, no such null values are available. Okay, that is the thing. Fine. Okay, now see, we are going to the another part of it, another content. Okay, so that is the thing. So this is over. Okay, so now we are going with the another thing. Let's see another topic, means in SQL only, substring pattern matching. Okay, substring pattern matching means what, it is actually some part of the string, if it matches, okay, in that case we can extract the data also. Okay, sometimes we may not remember the proper data, we can understand in this way that some names may have been started with B, so we have to find out which are the names with B. So from that we can even find out that which is actually we are actually looking for. Okay, at that point of time I may not remember also that one properly. Okay, that is the thing. So now you see, many a times we come across situations, okay, where we don't want to query by matching exact text or value. Rather, we are interested to find matching only a few characters, okay, or values in common or in column values. Okay, suppose my organization or my administrator or who is in the higher position in the management wants to know that how many people are there whose name starts with S. Okay, like that. Okay, so here for example, here it has been given to find out the name starts with T, to find out pin code starting with 60, like that. This is called substring pattern matching. We cannot match such patterns using equals operator. That is 100% prohibited. Okay, you cannot do it because we are not comparing the exact value. We are comparing some possibility. That's why equals to operator is not cannot be used. Okay, so that is the thing. So in that case, what we have to use, you might have watched that whenever we are matching something, we are getting a like command also. We are getting a like operator. Okay, with us. Okay, suppose you want to find out the records of Kolkata only. So what you do, select star from EMP1 where address like Kolkata, single quote you are giving. So what is happening, from the Kolkata all the records are being retrieved and displayed to you. Okay, so the like operator makes the use of the following two wildcard characters. One is the percent used to represent 0, 1 or multiple characters, and underscore is also there used to represent a single character. That is the thing. Okay, that is the thing. So here one thing has been shown. The following query displays the details of all those employees whose name starts with K. Okay, that is the thing. This name is starts with K, and here you can see one more query, select star employee whose name ends with A. Okay, employee, that is the thing. This is the actually ends with A, when the percent sign is before, that is called ends with A. Okay, so we will see one by one each and every command. Okay, so you see out here the following query, there are many types may be possible. Okay, the following query displays the details of all the employees whose name consists of exactly 5 letters. Okay, and starts with any letter but has ANYA after that. Okay, exactly 5 letters. Okay, that is the thing. So 5 letters means one single character we are looking for, but we don't know what is exactly at the beginning. Okay, starts with any letter they have said. So what will we give? We will give the underscore over here. So what? From employee. Okay, select star from employee where name like underscore ANYA. That is the thing. Okay, so what will happen? Whose name ANYA is available, that one will be displayed. So Sania, Tania, all these kind of things. Okay, so in this way many things we can do, many ways we can do. That is the example of underscore. Okay, that is the thing. So let us see now certain things in the this thing in the practically what is exactly happens. Suppose I want to display the names that starts with S, capital S. Okay, so I will give select star from EMP1. Okay, where name. Okay, name like, okay, what, S percent. Okay, S percent. Okay, that means what, the name that starts with S will be displayed. So Satish, Sharat and Subir has been displayed. Fine, that is the thing. Now you see, if any name, if you want to display, that has been ends with what you call T or something like that. Yeah, T. Okay, so what will you happen? T. So then how will you do? So percent will come before the letter. Okay, so that will show you the set of names that has been and that have been ends with T. Okay, that is the thing. See, Rajat and Sharat has been printed. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, now the thing is that in that one, okay, so I want to display in just to first let us display the whole thing, entire thing once. Okay, so I want to display those addresses that has been started with K and ends with A. Okay, how to give this, because it is all about the percent symbol where you will give, that is the thing. So what I will do, select. Okay, select. Okay, start from, sorry, select star from what, EMP1. Okay, where what, address like, address like starts with K, ends with what, A. Okay, that is the thing, starts with K and ends with A. Fine, enter. Okay, enter. See, all the Kolkata records have been displayed. That is the thing. Okay, so whenever percentage is in the middle. Okay, now suppose in the zones, okay, in the zones, okay, say wherever it is appearing with OU, that one to be displayed, those records to be displayed. So what will happen, where the zone, I have to change it over here by giving zone, 1 minute, zone, okay. So what are the things out here, zone, let's see, I will just remove this and just type zone, okay, zone, like what else, what is there, what I had told you, that OU, okay, OU, and give a percent sign. So the entire things will be percentage, percent, okay. So what will happen, so wherever it will find in the zone column OU, okay, in any string anywhere, so those things will be printed. So here the south will be printed. So what we have learned, we have learned the four things. So we have learned four things out here. First command, we are going back to the first command, okay, just a minute, 1 minute. This is whenever the percent symbol is at the beginning, okay, that means starts with, okay, when the percent symbol sorry, at the end, that is the starts with that particular letter, okay. When it is beginning, at the beginning percent, then the letter comes, that means it is ends with, okay. All right, next is what, here k percent a, that means starts and ends, okay, starts with k, ends with a, okay. So percent symbol will be in the middle, okay. Next is wherever the particular set of substring is available in the said attribute or the specified attribute will be displayed, okay. Now you see out here these things has come. Now you see out here I want to find out the zones, okay, which are exactly of 4 characters, okay. How to do that thing, so select where the zone, like, okay, 4 characters, okay, that is the thing. I don't know exactly, but I know there are 4 characters long, they are 4 characters long, fine. So enter. So only the east, west and east has been printed because they are exactly of 4 characters, fine, okay, clear, that is the thing. So now, okay, now the thing is that one more thing, suppose I want to print those things, first character may be anything, but it is having the OUTH, okay, in its one, okay, other characters are OUTH, it is 5 character long, but other 4 characters are this in the front, anything may be there, okay, that is the thing, okay. So select star from emp1 where zone like underscore what OUTH, and then you press enter, then what will happen is south has been printed, okay. So in this way what is happening, okay, suppose you want to print it in this way, zone like, suppose after this you don't know anything out here, okay, anything out here, okay. So you just give the this one, then O you have given, okay, other characters you don't know, okay, other characters you don't know, okay. So what is happening, first character anything O, then after that anything can come, okay. So just give it. So what is happening, see after is north, south has come, but east, west has not been appeared. So there are many things, many such things are available, okay, with that can be used in order to display the substring, display the what we actually looking for, that is the substring, okay, pattern matching the substring, okay, that is the thing. So this here lot of things are there, different things, okay. You see out here which one we have done just now, okay, what we have done, okay, this one, the query, the following query displays the names of all the employees containing SE as the substring. What has been given, select ename from employee where ename like percent SE percent. So we can replicate this one also, we can here also you can see, just I will plate the details first of all, okay, select, okay. So that is the thing. So these are the things. So now suppose I want to print air, okay, so wherever it is air, okay, so select, okay, in the name select star from emp1, okay, emp1 where name like what, AR I told, so then percent then AR, okay, okay, percent then AR, okay, then close it, okay, then put a semicolon, fine, enter, okay. Then Barun and Sharath is having AR in their names, so it has been printed. So it doesn't matter where, it may be in the beginning, it may be in the end, it can be in the middle, anywhere in the string wherever it is AR is appearing, so those things has been printed, okay, that is the thing. So now let us see out here. So other things are also there, different kinds of matching may be possible, it depends upon you that how we will manipulate it. The following query displays, I have done just now this, employees containing A as the second character, after that anything can come. So here we have done previously this particular command, which one, let us find out, okay, okay, here this one, okay. So second character is O, Okay, second character is O, after that anything can come. That thing we have done. Okay, so that gives us the north and south both. Okay, so in this way actually we will be able to do the pattern matching. So there can be of anything, that depends upon you. It can come from yourself, even you can also plan out. Okay, so how means like how can we do this, how can we do that, all these things. Okay, so today's content is up to this much. Okay, so afterwards this will be available, the same explanation will be available in the Google sorry, in the Google Classroom. The link of this recording will be available, okay, in the Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so means like you link for YouTube. Okay, so there also you see and try to do these things simply, okay, in your system. Okay, and even if you cannot do, but practice this one by writing even. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so then you will have some kind of idea and you will be able to answer it properly. Okay, that is the thing. So I would like to say that these things are very very important for your coming examination, and practice it in order to gain confidence to answer the MySQL queries. Okay, that is the thing. All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.